You guys, I only make this soup on a request. My husband likes it once in a while. I can actually count how many times I make this soup in a year, between 3 to 4 times. So today I am making it to satisfy my husband's craving. So keep watching and let's get started. First, you want to cook your choice of proteins. In there, I've got some goat meat and stripe. I'm going to introduce other proteins later. I will add my chopped onions, seasoning cubes and salt. Stir, cover and allow to steam cook for 8 to 10 minutes on a medium heat. 10 minutes later, I will add my stockfish fillet and pre-cooked cow leg as well as the stock. Cover and allow to cook properly. Meanwhile, I will prep my other ingredients. I've got some ogbono seeds and okra. First, I'm going to wash my ogbono and dry it really well with my paper towel. You guys, if you have the chance of washing your ogbono seeds and egusi seed, please do so because it's dirty. Too many hands has touched it. So I'm going to dry it very well and grind it. I'll also hand chop my okra and set aside. Wash my dry catfish. This soup happens really quick, so I'm going to prep all my ingredients. At this time, I check on the proteins and add my dry catfish, stir and allow it to cook for some time, and it's time to make our soup.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
To make the soup, I'll add palm oil in a pot and allow to heat up. Next, I'll add my iru or opei, stir and allow it to release the fragrance. Next, I'll add my grounded ogbono and stir. You guys, there are different ways of making this soup. I prefer this method, so stick on what you prefer, or you can also give this one a try. Next, I'll add my blended peppers, onions and crayfish. I'm going to stir and add my cooked proteins as well as the stock. Give it a good stir, cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat. Meanwhile, I will debone my mackerel fish. You guys, mackerel fish is a game changer in this soup, but if you don't like or eat mackerel fish, please go for what you want, or you can even skip it. I will also blanch my spinach by adding hot water and allow it to sit for 2 minutes. Then strain it and add cold water immediately to stop it from cooking. Strain it again and squeeze out excess water from it, and it's ready. I love spinach and I can use it to cook any type of soup, so feel free to use your bitter leaf or pumpkin leaf. Once that is done, I will add my mackerel fish as well as my okra, stir, cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes, and we'll come back to it shortly. Three minutes later, I will add my spinach, adjust the seasoning, stir, and it's ready. What is the best swallow for this soup? Tell me in the comment section. For me, it's oatmeal swallow or gari. You guys, the soup is souping. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.